So why is it important to learn about marriage and how to navigate the relationship? Well, I think a couple of reasons are obvious. Number one, Prabhupada wanted us to have healthy marriages. Prabhupada said, get married, be peaceful, be happy. So that would then produce stability. Prabhupada wanted us to bring in to the world healthy children, the next generation, raise them from the very beginning, give them this great opportunity to practice Krishna consciousness. He put a lot of stock in the hopes of the next generation. He saw it, as we said, as an ashram in which we could advance. And he saw it also as an example, because relationships are so disturbed now in Kali Yuga, that we could also be an example for people. And we as human beings need relationships. It's very important for our own stability. And so material stability affects spiritual stability. And of course, Prabhupada understood that, and especially in the West, most people will need to be married. So now if most people need to be married, and we see that marriage statistically is very difficult to master, then it just makes sense that anyone who's in a relationship or wants to be in a relationship would want to study how to exist within that relationship. And so this is the reason that we're doing our course. I find it vitally necessary for people who are entering a relationship to understand what they're getting into, to understand all the detours of that relationship, to understand all the things, and there are many that they can do that really harm themselves and harm their partner, which neither of them they want to do. But it's really like you're going into a dark tunnel and you don't really know what's there, and you've never been in that tunnel, and it's dangerous, and there's hazards that you can hurt yourself. But if someone comes and shows you, no, don't go there, shines a light, here's a stairway, go up this way, and so forth, then you can be safe. And that's what any course on relationship ultimately is going to be about. It's going to help us navigate something that's so important for most of us and so important for us to succeed in, because we need it, and we need it as an example also to the world, and we need it for our own spiritual advancement.